Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at preferences in Zoho Inventory. The preferences section will help you customize the different modules according to your business needs. Let's get started. Log into your Zoho Inventory organization, click Settings, and click Preferences. As you can see, it is categorized module-wise. We'll be seeing the general and branding preferences today. We'll cover the rest of them along with the respective modules in other videos. If you have enabled the Retainer Invoice module, then you'll have to choose the account in which you can track the retainer payment that you would receive. Next, if you wish to attach PDF files with a link while you send invoices and estimates to your customers, you can mark this box. This will be useful if you wish to attach documents such as your product catalogs and more. If you wish to encrypt the PDF file that you send, mark this box. This option ensures that the PDF file cannot be edited. Then, you can select whether you wish to give discounts to your customers or not. If you do, then choose whether to apply discounts at the line item level or at the transaction level. In case you've chosen the transaction level, then you can also choose whether the discount should be applied before or after the tax. Based on your preferences here, the discount field will appear on your invoice. If you wish to add any additional charges, you can choose it here. Here you can choose the tax preferences for your items. If you wish to round off the total amount to the nearest whole number for your sales transactions, mark this box. You can click this icon to see the rounding off sample. If you wish to add a field for salesperson, mark this box. Then you can select the mode of stock tracking. If you choose physical stock, the stock on hand will be calculated based on the receipts and shipments. That is, only once the goods have been received or shipped. However, if you choose accounting stock, the stock on hand will be calculated based on the bills and invoices. Based on these stock preferences that you've chosen, you'll be able to view these details on the items page. Here, you can choose the way you wish to update your physical stock. Under the organization address format, you can edit the address format. This address format will be displayed on the PDF of all transactions. Here you can also choose the fields that you wish to add. You can add, delete, or move the placeholders as per your preference. Once you've chosen the preferences, click Save. You can always come back to this and make changes again. Next, click Branding. Here you can upload your company logo. This will be displayed in the PDF of your transactions. Then you can choose the theme for your Zoho Inventory organization. Finally, toggle this on if you wish to have Zoho branding in all your transactions and PDFs. That's it for now, folks. If you have any queries, you can write to support@zohoinventory.com and we'll be happy to help. For more videos on Zoho Inventory, you can subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon never to miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you.